Hey there! Ever had your Deebot X1 Omni robot vacuum throw a tantrum and refuse to clean? Instead of gliding gracefully across your floors, it's spinning in circles, getting stuck, and throwing error codes like confetti. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Don't worry, we've got your back. Watch as we tackle this tricky situation and get the robot vacuum back to its smooth operating self. A customer reached out with their Deebot X1 Omni robot vacuum, saying it wasn't working as usual. This robot vacuum was just spinning in circles, getting stuck in the most random places, and flashing error messages. Then, they asked us to figure out what was going on. We started by running a few tests. It wouldn't even start and just flashed an error message, but sometimes it would work. But it couldn't run properly either. The robot vacuum just spun around in circles. Not exactly what you want from your cleaning machine, right? After a bit of digging and a few more tests, we found the culprit: a faulty right wheel. No wonder this robot was going in circles, it only had one good leg to stand on. So, we recommended a right wheel replacement to the customer. But that's not all. Since this robot vacuum has been working hard for a while now, we also suggested a deep cleaning service. We'll take it apart and make sure every nook and cranny is spotless, so it can perform like new again. Afterwards, we asked the customer to approve the recommendations, and then we started the repair. Before returning the robot vacuum to the customer, we do unit testing to ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly. Fast forward to after the repair, and tada! No more errors, no more spinning around. The Deebot X1 Omni robot vacuum is back in action. So, what's the deal with your robot vacuum? Contact us today, and let's get your robot vacuum back to its prime performance.